Yo, what's up guys, more Mats here, back with another tutorial video. Today I'm just going to be showing you how you can change your Twitter name or your @name. Obviously I'm on an alt account right now, but basically all you have to do is click more and then click settings and privacy, and then right here you can do, there's like your account, general data and stuff, but for your username, this is change username. So you can just do, so as you can see I did tutorial 221 and you just click save. And then now as you can see your name is @tutorial 221, and if you want to change just your normal name, then you just go to edit profile and then go here, and as you can see tutorial 221, save. And now it's tutorial 221 and then @tutorial 221. They don't have to be the same, you can do them differently, but I'm just doing them the same so you get the idea of how you get the and then the normal name. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you would like to follow me on Twitter, this is my Twitter if you'd like to follow it, link in description. It's just it's Mats or it's MatsYT. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.
Do me in the worst way.